Hi, kindergartners. We are going to work on our handwriting book. Last time we did our handwriting book, we did the letter A. Now we're going to do the letter B. So open up to letter B. Remember I showed you if you kind of scooch it over like that and then push down, it'll go flat and it won't come up and kind of bother you. It's always good to practice our name. So we're going to write our name right up here. I'll write mine, you write yours. Okay, we're going to start with the uppercase B. Notice that the uppercase B starts at the top here and goes all the way down to the bottom. So it's between the whole railroad track or the whole, both of the lines. So you go down, you go back up to the top and follow the arrows. Around and around. Kind of like you're making a 3 right here. So you'll go again, down, around, around, down, around, around, down, around, around, down, around, around. I like the letter B. Down, around, around, because you're doing a straight line, but also some curvy lines, and I think that's kind of fun. Down, around, around, down, around, around. Now it's your turn to do it by yourself. Every time you see a star is where you're going to make an uppercase B. Ready? I'm going to zoom this out a little so you can see. Okay, so we're going to trace one more. Ready? Find the star, straight line down, stop, go back up to the top, and you'll go around, around. Now if I'm going too fast for you, you can push pause so that you can catch up. That is just fine. Down, around, around. Down, around, around. It's like a little song. Down, around, around. Down, around, around. And down, around, around. Those are uppercase B's. Now we're going to move on to the lowercase B. What I was about to say is that you have to be careful with B's, because if you do it the wrong way, it turns into a D. So this one, you're also going to draw a line from the top all the way to the bottom. Then you're going to curve up to the right. That means this way. So you'll go down, up to the right, and around. Down, up to the right, and around. If you go, you have to pay attention though, because when you go up and around, you're only doing it between the middle line and the bottom line. If you go down, up, and around, we're making an uppercase D. So you can't go all the way back up to the top. Down, up, only halfway, and around. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Sometimes I say down, around to the right, down, around to the right, because if you know which way is right, this way, then you know to go that way. We learn those kind of things as we go on throughout kindergarten. Down, around to the right, down, around to the right. Watch what happens if we go to the left, down, up to the left. We make a D, and we're making B's. All right, now I want you to do it on your own. Find the stars and make the lowercase B's. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Mostly what I want you to watch is to make sure you're not going above the dotted line. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Down, up, and around. Now you get to practice doing a pattern of an uppercase B, lowercase b, uppercase B, lowercase b. Uppercase means the big ones, lowercase means the small. Uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. Just keep going until you have it all finished. This is really good because once you learn how to do letters, you can start putting them together to make words. This is book, go ahead and trace the word book. Underneath book is what word? Do you know what it says? Bell. Ooh, nice, these are fun. Balloon. And then the bottom one is butterfly. Okay, that's the letter B. Thanks for following along. Do your best handwriting, and you can go back and you can look and you can see how good you're doing with your letters. We first did A, now we did B. Talk to you soon.